I am Dr. Rakesh Patil, medical oncologist and hemato-oncologist working full-time at AIIMS Hospital, Dombivli. February is a cancer awareness month, so let's talk about cancer prevention and cancer treatment. Before moving to cancer, now let's talk about cell divisions. Human body is made up of organs, organs are made up of tissues, and finally tissues are made up of cells. In the body, cells undergo cell division and finally the used cells are get destroyed in cell division cycle. Sometimes some cells becomes abnormal and these abnormal cells are removed from cell division by checkpoints. What happens sometimes there is a defect in cell cycle or cell division cycle. When there is abnormal cells is get into the cell division and number of other abnormal cells are produced which gives rise to tumors. There are two types of tumors. One is benign tumor and second one is malignant tumors. Malignant cells, that is cancer cells, has two distinct abilities which makes them more dangerous to human body. First ability, these have uncontrolled and rapid cell division. The second ability which malignant cell has is the ability to invasion into the surrounding tissues and ability to form distant metastasis into the distant organs like brain, liver and lung. Because of these two abilities, malignant cell is more dangerous to human body. According to WHO, 25 to 30% cancers are associated with tobacco consumption. In India, tobacco is consumed in the form of mawa, masala, gutka, or it can be smoked in the form of bidi smoking or cigarette smoking. Second important risk factor in the cancer causation is environmental pollution and toxins. Third important factor for cancer causation is sedentary lifestyle and westernized food culture. Fourth important causes is obesity. Infection also can cause cancer. And lastly, 5 to 10% of cancer have genetic basis like breast cancer and ovarian cancer. When patient first comes to the oncologist, we do imaging of the primary site, that is CT scan or MRI of the primary site. Second, we do biopsy of the local site, which is also called a histopathological diagnosis. Two important advantages of biopsy. First is it confirms the presence of cancer. Second, it gives rise to histopathological type of the cancer. After the diagnosis of cancer with imaging and biopsy, we will proceed to staging of the cancer. Staging of the cancer is done by CT scan or MRI of the distant organs or whole body PET CT scan. Cancer treatment is not done by individual doctor, but it is done by expert of doctors. The team of doctors involve surgical oncologists which do surgeries, radiation oncologists which gives radiation, and medical oncologists which gives chemotherapy. So cancer treatment is multimodality treatment. Chemotherapy are substances which are given orally or IV form, which causes inhibition of cell cycle division and causes destruction or death of cells. That is, cytotoxicity is a mechanism action of chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is given in cycles or settings, that is weekly, 2 weekly or 3 weekly, according to the stage and type of cancer and tolerance of patient. Chemotherapy can be given before the surgery as a neoadjuvant chemotherapy, which causes decrease in tumor burden so that tumor is amenable to surgery. Chemotherapy can be given after the surgery, that is adjuvant chemotherapy, which causes decrease in disease recurrence and causes decrease in distant metastasis. And thirdly, chemotherapy can be given in stage 4 patient as palliative measure to decrease symptom load of patient to increase quality of life of patient. First and foremost misconception about chemotherapy is that chemotherapy causes serious side effects and it is intolerable to post-op patients and old age patients, which is totally untrue. Nowadays, most of chemotherapy protocols have low or minimal side effects. The incidence of serious side effects is less than 1%, and however, if they occur, they are easily manageable, temporary and easily reversible. Secondly, Most of women on chemotherapy are worried about chemotherapy-induced hair loss, that is alopecia. But because of technological advances like scalp cooling devices, the incidence of alopecia can be reduced to 70 to 80%, so that most of the women doesn't have to worry about social discomfort. The third misconception about cancer treatment is that there is no treatment available for stage 4 cancer patient, which is untrue. Now there are new modalities of treatment available for stage 4 patient, that is targeted therapy and immunotherapy. Both have excellent response rate with excellent symptom control, and in some cases there is also increase in survival. So targeted therapy and immunotherapy has revolutionized the treatment of advanced cancers. To conclude, although cancer incidence is increasing, but because of new modalities of treatment like targeted therapy and immunotherapy, now cancer is highly curable disease. So stay healthy, stay fit.